Welcome to the presentation of our late-breaking work, Regret, Delete, Do Not Repeat, an analysis of self-cleaning practices on Twitter after the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic. The exchange of personal information in online social networks became critical for people's connectedness and psychological well-being during the COVID-19 pandemic. Given the impossibility of obtaining fast medical assistance, many turned to Twitter in search of answers about the manifestations, treatments, and side effects of a disease that until then was unknown to the whole world. This resulted in a flood of sensitive, health-related information disseminated across the internet in exchange for guidance, instrumental assistance, and social support from others. Prior research has shown that disclosing health-related information can lead to privacy threats and even derive in regrettable online experiences. Moreover, these experiences can have a large impact on the way people engage with and through social media channels. For instance, those who regret having shared a post with personal information are prone to delete it afterwards and even change their self-disclosure behavior. This work elaborates on regrettable self-disclosure practices on Twitter during the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic by addressing the following research questions. Number 1. How can a corpus of regrettable health-related COVID-19 tweets be generated? And number 2. Whether such a corpus can be leveraged for the automatic identification of online regrets. To answer the first research question, we conducted a search of COVID-related tweets published during the outbreak of the pandemic. We focused primarily on tweets describing COVID-19 symptoms such as fever, cold, and fatigue that included personal pronouns. Using Twitter's API, we checked their publication status after 1 year and labeled them as deleted or non-deleted accordingly. Overall, our resulting dataset contains around 17,000 deleted tweets corresponding to the period January to April 2020. We addressed the second research question by training different machine learning and deep learning models using the resulting dataset. Particularly, we assessed the performance of state-of-the-art machine learning algorithms along with mainstream deep learning methods including support vector machines, LSTM, and BERT. This last one yielded the best performance in terms of F1 and recall scores, followed by naive bias when it comes to precision. The resulting dataset provides not only empirical evidence but also actionable information for the automatic identification of regrettable publications. In that sense, the models we trained show how regrets can be translated into concrete cybersecurity countermeasures seeking to improve users' online self-disclosure practices. Thank you very much for your attention, and please let us know if you have any questions.